Hey everyone, we have some classic Nissan headlights finished up today. This customer sent in his OEM S14 Kouki or 240 SX headlights, and he wanted an OEM Plus build and upgrading, of course, the factory projectors. These headlights are equipped from the factory with an H1 halogen projector, really dismal performance compared to a custom retrofit. So these receive 3-inch bi-LED projectors. Fit and finish looks very similar to OEM. This is a really OEM plus build. We even put the factory kind of metal lens retainers back onto the new projectors, so it still gives that factory look to it. And of course, when lighting these things up, they are extremely bright compared to the factory setup. Really nice bright white light output from these projectors, and very easy to wire up. It literally is just plug and play. The wiring on these headlights is internal, so all of it is just wired up internally for you. You literally just install these new headlights and you're good to go. Testing the performance on the factory halogen projectors at about 20 feet, we got about 500 lux. And with these bi-LED projectors, it is 10x the performance. We got around 5,000 lux from the new projector unit. So definitely expect to see a big performance increase. If you are looking to upgrade your headlights and you have this vehicle, definitely check us out at VisionAutoworks.com. We do have a headlight package for the S14 facelift model Kouki headlights now. This is the first build that we've done, but we'll have a package up there, and pricing and all the options that you may want to add will be available to add to cart with your package. If you have any further questions, you can reach us by phone or email. Our contact information is on our website.